What if I told you that humanity once spoke a single language? In a time of unity, people came together to build a tower reaching the heavens, driven by ambition and a desire for greatness. This tower, known as Babel, symbolized their collective power. But their pride stirred a response from God. He looked down upon their construction and saw their potential for rebellion. To thwart their plans, he confused their language, causing chaos among the builders. Suddenly, men and women could no longer understand one another, and the once harmonious effort devolved into disorder. Families were torn apart, and communities fractured as people scattered across the earth, each group speaking a different tongue. The Tower of Babel stands as a powerful testament to the consequences of unchecked ambition and pride. It reminds us that while unity can lead to great achievements, it can also lead to downfall when driven by self-interest. As the story unfolds, we learn that true connection comes from understanding and humility. So next time you pursue your dreams, consider, are you building bridges or towers? Share your thoughts in the comments below.